how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to the Notion homepage. This is where you'll see your connected workspace, the central hub for all your wikis, documents, and projects. Go ahead and log in. For the quickest way, click on Continue with Google. Once you're inside Notion, open the page where you want to hide or unhide properties. Look for the three dots icon on the group or property you want to hide. Click on it and select Hide Group. This will instantly clean up your view, removing distractions so you can focus on what's important. If you ever want to bring that property back, click the bars icon. From the drop-down, select Properties. Look towards Hidden Groups section. Find the property you want, click the eye icon to unhide these groups. The property will return to your view exactly as it was before. And that's it, super quick and easy. This little trick is perfect for keeping your Notion workspace clutter-free while still giving you full control over what you see and when you see it. See you in the next one.